Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle, Assistant Professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. In this previous video, we have learned techniques of sales promotion. That was the first part, and this is the second part. In the previous video, we have learned consumer promotion tools, and in this video, we are going to have trade sales promotion techniques, then sales force and aggressive selling. So, as we have seen that there techniques are classified into four types: consumer promotion tools, trade sales promotion techniques, sales force promotion tool, and aggressive selling. So in the previous video we have done this, and in this video we are going to learn these three types. Okay, so the second is trade sales promotion techniques. So this is used to offer incentives to intermediaries to buy the product. So to the intermediaries like dealers are there, we are going to have some allowances to them to buy a product. There are different types of allowances. First is buying allowances. Buying allowances means dealers will get a cash off on each quantity purchased during the stated period of time, and this is to encourage buying in a large quantity. Means if the dealer is buying in large quantity, you will or he will get cash off on each quantity. Then buyback allowance means here certain amount of money offered at the time of each purchase on the basis of earlier trade transactions. So earlier trade transactions, on the basis of that you are going to have certain amount of money offered to that dealer. So that is called buyback allowance. Then count and recount allowance means this offer is made to the wholesalers, and certain amount of quantities move out from the warehouse in a specific time. And here intention is to clear out the old stock. Okay, old stock you are going to clear, and to effect the sales quickly, so count and recount is used. Fourth is merchandise allowances. Means it is an agreement with the dealer to compensate him for featuring the manufacturer's product on newspaper or TV, on radio, etc. So dealer and manufacturer, the agreement between dealer and manufacturer, and the dealer will take about he will featuring the product on newspaper or TV or radio. Then sales contests. There are various types of contests for dealers. Okay, in the previous video we have seen contests, but they were for customers, and these are for dealers. These contests are calculated for dealers only, to motivate them and to increase the sales. Then free foreign tours. When wholesaler or retailers achieve more than the target sales for a certain period, so they are offered free foreign tours. Then cooperative advertising means a long-term contract is made between the manufacturer and retailer, where manufacturer agrees to pay an advertising allowance to retailers for each case. Then third is force promotion tools. Salesforce means Salesforce is motivated through bonus, sales for contests, and sales meeting to increase the sales. So this is means sales promotion is directed towards the sales people, is referred as a sales promotion. That means if you are going to have sales promotion by using sales people, then it is called sales for promotion tools. So firms combine several methods to increase the volume. So here various types of methods are combined for increasing the sale, like salesman to do his job in an effective manner, and advertising a message creates a deep impact on consumers mind, or sales promotion involves heavy expenditure, so it should be carefully decided about the expenditure. Then That's why there should be a proper planning, proper support, and coordination of sales and promotional activities. So this is about Salesforce promotion tools. Next is aggressive selling. Aggressive selling means it is a marketing strategy to increase the volume of the sales and clear up the pile stocks. And this is used to overcome the competition in the market. Okay, and it is aggressive selling means here it is also known as offensive seller selling. Here manufacturer is required to be aggressive in sales effort made to capture the established market on the competitors or in tapping new customers. And for this manufacturers may attract the customers from his competitors, and this selling promotion is suitable when the share of the market is small or when the market is for the product is expanding. So this type of selling is used for those uh, activities, like if share is small or a product is expanding in nature. So this is called aggressive selling. So this was about techniques used in sales promotion. This was a very small topic. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.